Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, September 8th. I hope you're doing well and that you had a great Labor Day weekend. Kids are probably all back in school right now, so if your kids or grandkids or whoever's in school, I hope you're getting settled into your new routines. Things are good here. I took down my summer decorations inside anyway. It's too hot to do anything outside. And I started putting out my fall stuff, so I will show you that when it's done, but I think it's looking really nice. Even though it's 90 degrees outside, I'm still enjoying fall in my house. So I've got some good stuff to share with you this week. I went to Joann's for their sale last weekend, and I went to Hobby Lobby, to a different Hobby Lobby, and they had tons of stuff on clearance that I picked up. So looking forward to showing you that. But first I wanted to share with you my new jewelry. If you have noticed, I have a new ring on my left middle finger and also this gorgeous gold bracelet. I was contacted by this company called Ana Luisa, and they are based in New York. These are the little pouches that come with the jewelry. So I just put those out so you could see the company name. But they reached out to me to see if I wanted to do a collaboration. And I thought it'd be a good idea because I do use my hands in my videos and you see my jewelry. So yeah, I took a look at their website. They have some beautiful jewelry, very affordable. They have gold-plated pieces, which these are. They have silver, they have solid gold, earrings. They also have necklaces. Let's see, what else? Rings and bracelets, of course. Lots of different varieties. So I have a referral link down below and also a coupon code, which is Strawberry Cream 20. I'll leave both of those down below. You get 20% off with my coupon code. It seems like a really great company. They're carbon neutral, which means that they offset 100% of their carbon footprint. So I think that is really cool. They test all their products really well to make sure that they're durable, they're going to last, and they're humidity tested as well, which is definitely important. You don't want your jewelry tarnishing or anything like that. And they do have a 2-year warranty on their jewelry, which is excellent. No questions asked, to be either replaced or reimbursed. So my ring that I got here, this one is called the Chloe, and I will link it down below. Isn't that so pretty? It's like a rope, kind of a braid, and it's got some faceting in it, so it just makes it really nice and shiny. I love it in the gold next to my gold wedding band. I think it just looks really nice together. And then the bracelet that I chose, this is called the Lenny. And this design, it has like two bands that kind of crisscross in the middle. And it's a bangle, so it goes onto your wrist just like this. And you could squeeze it a little bit tight if you want, maybe loosen it a little if you need to. My wrists are pretty small, and this is fine the way it came like this. So I just love these. They're beautiful pieces. They come, like I said, in these nice pouches as well. They have free shipping. Free return shipping. That's in the US, and for worldwide though, they have affordable shipping. So I'm not exactly sure how much that is, but it does say affordable on their website. So yeah, take a look at the links in my description box if you want to check them out. Ana Luisa again is the name, and don't forget to use my coupon code. All right, so let's get on with the crafty stuff. Let me move these pouches out of the way. Now, I did go to Joann's because it was Labor Day and they had a sale on their paper, which is 10 for $3. Remember, it used to be 10 for 2, but 10 for 3 is still good. And I did get a couple of other things too. Let me get out, well, this is on top. I'll show you this. I picked this up, the Tim Holtz Ideology Confections. This is the Halloween set. I just love these chunky little candy corns. Aren't they cute? Sorry for that glare there. And then there are some candy sticks and some little like candy, circled peppermint kind of candy things. And there's black and orange. And the orange ones look a little bit rounder than the black ones, or that one does anyway. But I thought these would be fun to add to some Halloween projects. And I thought Joann's, bless their heart sometimes. I had a 60% off coupon and there was no sign anywhere to be found that Tim Holtz was on sale, so I thought I could use a 60% off. of course, I got to the checkout and they were 30% off, so I couldn't use my coupon. So still, I'm sure, you know, whatever, that was fine. But, and I don't even remember how much it cost, but yep, that's Joann's for you. And then I picked up this thing of felt. This is their 2mm felt, the Pop brand, and it's the light tan. I like to use this when I'm making like cookie projects, and I was running low on tan, so I picked that one up. And then let me show you the papers that I got. A bunch of them I got are just kind of like restocks, and I also got a couple of specialty ones. Another thing about Joann's, they had, I knew it was 10 for $3, but there was also a sign up that said 40% off specialty and glitter paper. And well, I'll tell you about that when I get to that. But anyway, these were the 10 for $3. So I got, sorry, I keep turning. I got this one because I wanted some like thin papers too, because I, you know, sometimes you need those for certain projects. So I picked up this one, which is just kind of like a red and white polka dot on a pink background. That's the number. And then this is the same print, but it's like orange and yellow and pink. It looked kind of candy cornish to me, even with the pink. And then I got this one that has some, that's kind of like a bluish green, more blue, I guess, with stars. I wish it said what collection these come from, because a lot of them come from different designer collections. But anyway, here's some candy canes. Can always use candy cane prints, and this one has like different patterns on it. So that's the number of that one. And then this is a repurchase. I love this paper. I just think it's so pretty, and it just goes with so many different collections. So I got those. Those are the print ones. And then I restocked on a bunch of my normal solids, like the almond cream basil. I think I got 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 of the, did I say almond cream? Almond cream. And then I just love this shade of pink from Basil. It's called Berry Blush. It's just like the prettiest light pink. So I picked up a few of those, 3 of those, because I do love my pastel Christmas. And then I got 2 of these. This is one of my favorite like aqua colors. This one is Turquoise Mist. And these are so pretty. They're textured, they're solid core, and just great for 3D projects. So I am set with those. And these were the glitters that I got that were, well, supposedly 40% off, but they rang up at $1.49, and I mentioned that it was 40% off. So while she was bringing up the other stuff, I went back to the aisle and took a photo of the sign and brought it back. And she said, oh, well, it doesn't say, it didn't say this certain specialty paper or something like that. She's like, but I'll give it to you anyway. I was like, oh, great, thanks. So anyway, I got 3 of these, and I love this glitter paper because it does not have any iridescence in it. It's just plain white glitter. So perfect for sugar, you know, cookie icing type projects. So that's why I got that. All right, that was it from Joann's. And let's move on to Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I went to a different Hobby Lobby in my area, and they had like everything that was that I wanted to see on clearance. They had it. So I got a bunch of stuff. I had to buy one of the bags. In New York State, you have to buy bags if you didn't bring your own. And I usually bring my own, but I didn't that day, so I had to buy this. I think it was like 40 cents or something, but you guys probably recognize this, right? So anyway, all my goodies are in here. Let's pull stuff out and see what I got. Oh, I got one of these, the clocks, and this is different than, I have a clock that I made. Hang on one second, let me grab it. Okay, this is the one that I gotten, I don't know, years ago, and made this pretty little clock. And I have it on a shelf in my craft room. I just think it's so pretty, right? With the Frank Garcia paper. Which one is that, this line? Is it Santa Baby? I don't know. Or Dolce. What is it? Something Dolce. Anyway, yeah, so I have this in my craft room, and as you can see, this one here is different. It's got different kind of legs and stuff, so I will probably paint this and make another little scene inside. And it was $3.49 reduced from whatever that times 4 is, right? Yeah, okay. So there's that. And then I got, let's see, I'm just gonna pull stuff out. I got a couple of these from Paper Studio, reduced from $7 to $174, and they're just like little sprigs, and they're kind of tan looking. Not the best color, but I figured I could add some glitter to them or whatever. So, and then I got another color of these too, which are in here somewhere, but they'll come up. I picked up these flowers, Prima flowers, reduced from $5.49 to $174. I think these are gorgeous, and add a little bit of glitter and they'll be so nice on the cover of an album or even like in the clock kind of thing. I got these flowers. These are from Paper Studio. I like the combination of these because there are some, you know, regular flowers, but there's some leaves in the back and a couple of like taller flowers. So this was also $6.99, reduced to $174. And then I got these gorgeous Prima flowers. I think I have these already, but you know, how can you pass up 75% off, right? So $174 instead of $5.99. These are so pretty. They're shades of aqua and pink and cream with the beautiful bling in the middle. So, love those. Yeah, I gotta go this Hobby Lobby more often because it's kind of off the beaten path, so not that many people go to that. Oh, I guess I got two of those. Okay. And then, oh, this is the other color of that Paper Studio one, the little sprigs. These I like better. They're red. They look more like, I don't know, like realistic berries, I think. They'll be good for Christmas projects or winter projects. So two of those. And then, let's see. I got these butterfly charms. I thought they were so pretty. They're kind of like mother of pearl looking, if you could see. Sorry for the shadow, as usual. You know, my lighting is not the best. I'm in my basement craft room, which has no windows, so, you know, lighting is terrible. Anyway, really pretty colors, reduced to $124 from $449. And then I found this from Tim Holtz. This is an accordion folio, and it was reduced to $149 from, you know, whatever, 75% off of whatever is. So it looks like, let's open this up and take a look. Because I think it's just like a folio that's pre-constructed, and you can just, you know, add different layers to it of your own paper. So it's got this like, I forget what you call this kind of material, twill maybe. So it opens up like this, and it's like a manila folder kind of material. Oh, how pretty is this, right? So it's got this one flap in here, and then another kind on the other side. And then in the center, it's got, oh, that's cool. So this thing comes out. I'm sure you can affix it to the middle, and then just, you know, cover each panel and add pockets or whatever you want. I love this. I think it's so pretty, and I'm looking forward to playing with that. So there's an example there. Super cute. I won't make mine vintage like this, but, you know, I'll figure something out. And if any of you have used this before, I would love to see examples. All right, so there's that. And then a bunch more stuff. I got a few ink pads. I got Sponge Sugar Distress Oxide, which I have, and I might even have a spare, but I got another one because it's one of my favorite Distress Oxide colors. And then I got Crackling Campfire. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you. It's $149, reduced from $5.99. I might have this one. I don't know, but I grabbed it anyway. There were a couple others that I knew I had, so I didn't get. And then I picked up this little sprayer bottle, Distress Sprayer, reduced to $112. I don't really do distressing with water, but I figured I should try it. It says filled with water to use over distress ink, paint stain, and more. You know, why not have some fun and make some cool patterns with your inks? And then I got these little like barrels, and these were reduced to $124, and they're just really cute. I thought they'd be fun in a 3D project, maybe even my little clock. And of course you could paint these if you want to. Add some like, you know, metallic texture paste or something. Miniature resin barrel used for assemblage products or party decor. Party decor, okay. I don't know how that works, but. And then I got this twine from Paper Studio. It's black with gold thread, reduced to 49 cents from $1.99. They had white with gold too, which I already had, and maybe others on clearance, I don't know. And then I got this ribbon from Paper Studio, reduced from $4.99 to $1.24, and it's more like faux leather cord. It's not really ribbon, but I love these like earthy tones, and I thought that would be nice on some like rustic projects. So there's that. And then, oh, I got these. I forgot I got these. Distress Foundry Wax. I've never used this before. Reduced to $2.37, and this comes in, there were other color combinations too, but I got this one. It's Sterling and Statue. And it says, Distress Foundry Wax is designed to create luminous metallic highlights on porous and non-porous surfaces. The fluid wax transforms into a vibrant metallic finish once heat is applied. Ooh, fun. I have to go and look on Tim's YouTube page or YouTube channel, because I'm sure he's demonstrated this, and you know, he's just amazing things he can do. So I got to take a look at that. And then I got a couple of stamps too. Some woodblock stamps. I got this cute little avocado. That was reduced to 87 cents. How cute is that, right? Just a nice little addition to my wood stamp collection. And it says $3.99 there, but then it was $2.29, and now it was 87 cents. So can't beat that. And then we have Happy Birthday, which now that I'm looking at, I think I have this one already. If I do, I will pass it on. Do I? I'm looking at, I have some wood stamps out behind me, but I don't see it there. Anyway, this was again $3.99, or you know, they changed the price to $2.79, and then 69 cents after that. So that was it from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I did pretty good. And yeah, that's it for my haul this week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I have been busy working on more Scrap Diva Designs projects for the latest release, and KS Craft. I'll have a KS Craft video up next, I'm sure, probably either later today or on Saturday. I'm just working on my last project to show. So it's been fun working on holiday projects. Right now I'm doing some Christmas ones with KS Craft, and then I'll go back to do some more Halloween projects for Scrap Diva Designs. So I've kept out all of my holiday crafting supplies. So my craft room looks like a tornado went through it. Anyway, I will leave the link again to my beautiful jewelry. Thank you so much to the nice people at Ana Luisa. It just seems like such a great company, and they have they take a lot of pride in their products, and you know, and that shows in their guarantees and their beautiful packaging and quick shipping and free returns too. I forgot to mention that before. So again, my discount code there will be Strawberry Cream 20. The links will be in the description box. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments. I am so glad you took the time to spend a little while with me today for my Friday haul. I look forward to making these videos every week, just to, you know, kind of connect with you guys and see what you've been up to. So I would love to hear. And that is it. I did not get my Frank Garcia new Doodlebug collection yet. I don't know why I was thinking that would come in this week, but it hasn't been released yet. So whenever that comes, I will show you for sure. All right, you guys, take care. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everyone. Bye.